Let's begin this broadcast with updates from Sandesh Khali. The political fight over the Sandesh Khali showdown refuses to die down. In fact, a day after the Prime Minister met with the victims of Sandesh Khali horror, the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has hit out at him, addressing a rally of women supporters in Kolkata today, which also included women from Sandesh Khali. Mamata Banerjee said fake Sandesh has been spread regarding Sandesh Khali. Terming the politics by the BJP over a few incidents as deplorable, Mamata Banerjee said she does not hesitate to act against her own party leaders if a crime has been committed. Reacting to the Prime Minister's TMC is Mahila Virodhi charge, the Chief Minister said that women are the safest in Bengal, asking the BJP to introspect about women's safety in Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Manipur, as well as in Bihar. Mamata Banerjee also took a jibe at the BJP, calling the party Pinto Babu, who only gets angry over Bengal issues. Let me go across to my colleague Adrija, who's joining us with more on this. Adrija, a day after the Prime Minister addressed a rally in West Bengal and met with the victims of Sandesh Khali, Mamata Banerjee now taking out her own counter rally with women supporters and also hitting out at the Prime Minister as well as the BJP. What more happened today?
Well, absolutely. An entire rally was held in Kolkata today where Mamata Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee, along with other TMC leaders were walking there. And this rally was held in order to uphold celebrate International Women's Day. And we saw a huge crowd of women, especially even from Sandesh Khali has come and joined into the rally. And Mamata Banerjee at the end of the rally addressed the people who were walking in the rally. And from the stage, she has hit out to the Prime Minister for politicizing and trying to spread misinformation regarding Sandesh Khali. She have also said that they're defaming Bengal. Everyone in the BJP is trying to defame Bengal. She has raised question that if you're so confident about winning the election, then why do you have to defame Bengal? She also hit out at the BJP because she has said that the Prime Minister does not visit Manipur or any other places where the BJP government is in power, but only tries to defame the state of West Bengal.
All right, Adrija, stay with us as we get our viewers also what Mamata Banerjee said today. Listen in.
আমি আপনাদের সকলকে বলি সব ভালো যার শেষ ভালো সন্দেশ খালি নিয়ে অনেকে ভুয়ো সন্দেশও দিয়েছেন কিছু কিছু জায়গায় অনেক সময় আমাদের নলেজে থাকে না যদি কোনো কিছু অন্যায় হয়ে থাকে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আমাদের নলেজে আসলে আমরা সেটা অ্যাকশন নিই এবং আমি তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস কর্মীদের গ্রেপ্তার করতে আমি কখনো কার্পণ্য বোধ করি না আজকে বিজেপির কাজ একটাই তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসদের কেস দাও ইডি লাগাও সিবিআই লাগাও জেলে পুরে দাও আর জোর করে ইলেকশনে যেত আমি তাদের বলি বাংলা নিয়ে আপনাদের তো গুসা কেন কালকে বিজেপি নেতারা বলে গেলেন এখানে নাকি মহিলারা সবচেয়ে বেশি নির্যাতিত হন আমি চ্যালেঞ্জ করে বলছি বেঙ্গল ইজ দ্য অনলি প্লেস যেখানে মহিলারা সেফ এবং সোফিস্টিকেটেড বিহারে বিচার হয় না ইউপিতে বিচার হয় না রাজস্থানে বিচার হয় না হাতরাসে বিচার হয় না মণিপুরে যখন মহিলারা জ্বলছিল আর নেকেড প্যারেড হচ্ছিল কোথায় ছিলেন বিজেপি নেতারা क्या पिंटू बाबू इतना गुस्सा क्यों है